Life isn't just about surviving. It's a profound journey filled with untapped potential. A symphony of dreams waiting to be conducted. Earl Nightingale, known as the Dean of Personal Development, understood this monumental truth. He declared, "Life is what you think about." That single statement, though deceptively simple, holds a universe of wisdom. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and the narratives you craft shape the reality you experience. We often find ourselves boxed in, shackled not by our circumstances, but by our mindsets. We look around and see a world that often seems overwhelming, a cacophony of noise and distraction, stifling our spirit and quenching our ambition. But within each of us lies an indomitable flame, a reservoir of strength that, when ignited, can obliterate any obstacle in our path. Can you feel it? That flicker of possibility? It's there, pulsing just beneath the surface, waiting for you to give it life. The outside world may throw challenges your way, but the power to rise above, to transcend, boils down to one fundamental idea. You are the architect of your destiny. No one else can craft your narrative, mold your future, or unleash your potential except for you. The moment you embrace this truth, this electrifying affirmation, and allow it to seep into every facet of your being, you begin to rewrite your story. Will you awaken that inner architect today in this incredible journey called life? It's crucial to understand that the path is not linear. It winds and bends, leading us through thrilling peaks and daunting valleys. Imagine each experience as a stepping stone, adding texture and richness to your existence. It's often in those challenging moments that we discover our true selves. Think back to a time when you faced an obstacle. Did you crumble under pressure, or did you rise like a phoenix from the ashes? Every setback, every hardship is an opportunity wrapped in the guise of struggle, waiting for you to unwrap it with an open heart and an unwavering mindset. The world around you is brimming with possibilities, yet too many of us choose to focus on limitations. Each day offers a blank slate, a chance to paint your reality with vibrant colors. What if, instead of fearing the unknown, you embraced it? What if you saw each new day as a chapter waiting to be written? The key to unlocking this potential lies in your perspective. Shift your focus from what could go wrong to what could go right, and watch how the universe responds. Opportunities you never imagined will begin to unfold before you. You have the power to reshape your reality, so put on the glasses of possibility and let them uncover a world filled with hope, excitement, and unimaginable potential. Are you ready to take off those limiting glasses and see the world as a canvas, just waiting for your brilliant strokes? The moment you dare to envision your best life, you set in motion a powerful force. It's like planting a seed that, when nurtured with intention and action, can sprout into something magnificent. But planting that seed is just the beginning. It requires consistent care, the right environment, and most importantly, belief in its potential to thrive. Imagine waking up each morning with excitement, knowing you are the gardener of your own dreams, choosing to cultivate positivity, resilience, and purpose. Think of your aspirations as a garden waiting for your touch, each goal, each desire, flourishing within the rich soil of your convictions. Now, envision embracing your unique qualities, understanding that they are your most potent tools. Each talent, each experience you possess contributes to your personal masterpiece. Whether it's your knack for storytelling, your ability to connect with others, or your creativity, these attributes are the threads that weave your narrative. When you harness these strengths, you create a tapestry that reflects not only your journey, but also your incredible potential. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparison, to let the achievements of others dim your spirit. But remember, your path is uniquely yours, with lessons and triumphs that cannot be mirrored. Instead of measuring yourself against others, celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory. So are you ready to water the seeds of your dreams and watch them bloom? The world is yours to transform. Let your passions guide you forward, fueling the flame of possibility that burns brightly within you. As you embark on this thrilling journey of self-discovery, remember that the magic of life often lies in your relationships with others. People are not just companions on your path. They are mirrors reflecting back your own strengths and vulnerabilities. The connections you cultivate can elevate your spirit, challenge your thinking, and inspire your dreams. Think about the individuals who light up your world: friends, mentors, family. Each person has a unique story, just as you do. And when you share these narratives, you weave a rich tapestry of human experience. Now, consider how vital it is to surround yourself with positivity. Engage in conversations that lift you up. Seek out those who encourage your growth, and create a community that supports your quest for success. The synergy of collective ambition can propel you to heights you never thought possible. Have you ever noticed how laughter can wash away worries? Or how a heartfelt conversation can rekindle your motivation? These encounters hold tremendous power to transform your mindset. As you embrace this network of inspiration, take a moment to reflect on how you too can be a beacon for others. Share your wisdom, offer encouragement, and lend a hand. By giving back, you not only elevate those around you, but also enrich your own journey. In this dance of connection, you'll find that together, both you and your companions can create a world bursting with possibility, where dreams flourish and every day holds the promise of something extraordinary. As you journey through life, you'll encounter moments of reflection that act like signposts, guiding you toward deeper understanding. These moments of introspection are vital. They reveal the whispers of your heart and the desires simmering just beneath the surface. To truly harness your potential, you must carve out time to listen to these quiet voices. Perhaps it's a minute of solitude in the morning with a warm cup of coffee, where you ponder what brings you joy. Or maybe it's during a stroll in nature, where the rustling leaves and gentle breeze encourage your mind to wander and dream. The practice of journaling can be an incredible tool in this exploration. With a pen in hand, you unlock the door to your innermost thoughts, allowing them to flow freely onto the page. Each word is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, painting your aspirations, fears, and triumphs. As you write down your feelings and experiences, you may uncover patterns that reveal what truly ignites your passion. Embrace vulnerability during this process. It's in those raw, unfiltered moments that genuine growth occurs. Celebrate your strengths while also acknowledging the areas where you seek improvement. Remember, self-discovery isn't a destination. It's a continuous evolution, a dance between who you are and who you aspire to become. By nurturing this relationship with yourself, you pave the way for deeper connections with others and a life infused with authenticity and purpose. As you navigate the winding roads of your journey, it's crucial to embrace the power of intention. What you focus on shapes your experience, so why not set your sights on what truly matters? Begin each day with a clear vision. Close your eyes and envision your goals, from the smallest aspirations to the grandest dreams. Picture those moments of achievement, the exhilaration, the triumph, the sense of fulfillment. This vivid imagery serves as a magnet, drawing the opportunities and energy necessary to turn your dreams into reality. Your intentions are like a compass, guiding you toward your desired destination. Write them down, share them, let them breathe. When you articulate your ambitions, you create a sense of accountability. You become more than just a dreamer. You become a doer, taking concrete steps towards your vision. Each action you take, no matter how small, propels you forward. Celebrate the little wins. Did you take that first step out of your comfort zone? Acknowledge it. Did you share your ideas with a friend or mentor? Cheer for yourself. Every step counts in this exhilarating march toward your greater self. Moreover, cultivate a mindset of gratitude. In recognizing the abundance that already exists in your life, you open up to more of what you desire. Let appreciation fuel your motivation. As you fill your heart with gratitude, watch how it transforms your outlook, attracting positivity and cultivating a fertile ground for your aspirations to flourish. The universe responds wonderfully to an open heart. Are you ready to step into a world brimming with possibility? As you journey deeper into the realm of intention, it's essential to cultivate resilience. Life will inevitably throw curveballs your way, and the strength to bounce back is what truly sets you apart. Think of resilience as a muscle you can strengthen over time. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to build this muscle. Did you know that the most successful people often have a tapestry of failures woven into their past? It's not their failures that define them, but rather their ability to rise after each fall. So, how can you foster this invaluable trait? Start by reframing setbacks as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. When you encounter difficulties, take a moment to pause and assess the situation. What can you learn from it? How can it propel you forward? Embrace the lesson tucked within the hardship and use it as fuel for your fire. This shift in perspective illuminates your path and transforms challenges into valuable experiences that enhance your growth. Another vital aspect of resilience is self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness during tough times. Remember, everyone struggles, and it's okay to seek support. Lean on your network of friends, mentors, or communities that uplift you. Sharing your experiences doesn't show weakness. It reveals strength and fosters deeper connections. By embracing resilience and nurturing it with compassion, you forge a path that is not only stronger, but also richer in purpose. Are you ready to rise stronger and ignite your inner fire? Every morning is a fresh opportunity, a blank canvas waiting for your artistic vision. Take a moment to breathe deeply, connecting with the rhythm of life around you. Feel the pulse of the world. It's alive with endless potential. You hold the brush to paint your day with colors of joy, fulfillment, and excitement. Begin each day by setting small, achievable intentions. Rather than simply drifting through your routine, ask yourself what you want to experience today. This could be as simple as choosing to smile at a stranger or striking up a conversation with someone new. Small acts of courage can trigger a ripple effect, shifting not only your mood, but also those around you. Remember, positivity is contagious. As you interact with the world, realize that every moment holds a lesson, every encounter a chance for enrichment. Open your senses to the beauty woven into the fabric of daily life. Whether it's watching the sunrise paint the sky with brilliant hues or savoring the warmth of a cup of coffee in your hands, allow yourself to be fully present, mastering the art of mindfulness. When you cultivate awareness of the here and now, you unlock deeper insights into your passions and dreams. This isn't merely about surviving the day. It's about thriving in every experience. Lift your head high. You are not just a spectator. You are the star of this grand performance, a symphony of your experiences echoing through every choice you make. The lessons learned, the connections forged, and the dreams you've dared to dream have all woven together to create a unique masterpiece that is your life. Embrace the power of now, reminding yourself that every day is a new opportunity to unleash your potential. Let go of the fear that may whisper doubts in your ear, and instead, let your spirit soar with courage and excitement. Your journey is yours alone. Claim it fiercely. Now is the moment to ignite your passions and pursue your dreams with relentless zeal. As you continue to grow and evolve, remember that sharing your journey can inspire others to embark on their adventures. Spread the spark you've cultivated. Let it be a flame that lights the way for someone else. If this journey has resonated with you, take action. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who are ready to embrace their own extraordinary path. Your voice matters, and together, we can create a community that uplifts and empowers. So let's step into the world filled with endless possibilities. You have everything you need within you. Now go out and shine.